What if I told you that one simple habit, something you can start today, even if you're over 50, even if you haven't exercised in years, could dramatically boost your energy, strengthen your heart, sharpen your mind, and make you feel years younger, all without expensive gym memberships or complicated routines? Because the truth is, millions of people are walking around tired, sluggish, and mentally drained, not because they're aging, but because their body is silently begging for movement. And by the end of this video, you'll discover how cycling, yes, something as simple as riding a bicycle, can unlock energy and stamina faster than most people think possible, and why it might just become the most powerful daily habit of your life. Now here's the problem. As we get older, many people begin to notice a slow but steady decline in their energy levels. Climbing stairs feels harder, walking longer distances becomes tiring, and even daily tasks start to feel like a burden. You may wake up feeling tired, depend on tea or coffee to function, and by afternoon, your body feels completely drained. The common belief? This is just part of aging. But that's not entirely true. In reality, what most people experience is not just aging, it's a lack of consistent physical activity that weakens the heart, reduces oxygen flow, slows metabolism, and gradually drains stamina. And here's something even more concerning. The less you move, the weaker your body becomes, and the weaker your body becomes, the less you feel like moving. It's a dangerous cycle that traps people in low energy, poor health, and reduced quality of life. But here's the question: what if there was a simple, low-impact, enjoyable activity that could break this cycle and quickly restore your energy and stamina? And more importantly, what if it could do this without putting stress on your joints or requiring intense workouts? Stay with me, because the answer might surprise you. Let's understand what really happens inside your body when you start cycling. When you ride a bicycle, your heart begins to pump faster, sending oxygen-rich blood to your muscles and brain. This increased blood flow wakes up your entire system. Your lungs expand more efficiently, your muscles start using energy better, and your body releases endorphins, those natural chemicals that make you feel happier and more alive. Over time, cycling strengthens your cardiovascular system, improves muscle endurance, and trains your body to use oxygen more effectively. And that's the key to lasting energy and stamina. Now let's talk about the 10 powerful benefits of cycling that can transform your energy levels faster than you expect. The first benefit is instant energy boost. Even a short 10 to 15 minute ride can wake up your body and improve blood circulation, making you feel more alert and active almost immediately. Unlike caffeine, which gives temporary energy, cycling creates natural, long-lasting energy from within. The second benefit is improved heart health. Cycling strengthens your heart muscles, lowers blood pressure, and improves circulation. A stronger heart means better oxygen delivery to your body, which directly increases stamina. The third benefit is increased lung capacity. When you cycle regularly, your breathing becomes deeper and more efficient. This means your body gets more oxygen with every breath, helping you feel less tired during physical activity. The fourth benefit is stronger muscles without strain. Cycling works your legs, thighs, and even your core muscles without putting pressure on your joints. This makes it perfect for older adults or anyone dealing with joint discomfort. The fifth benefit is better metabolism. As you cycle, your body burns calories and improves how it uses energy. A faster metabolism means your body can produce energy more efficiently throughout the day. The sixth benefit is reduced fatigue. It may sound surprising, but regular cycling actually reduces feelings of tiredness. That's because your body becomes more efficient at producing and using energy. The seventh benefit is improved mental clarity. Cycling increases blood flow to the brain, helping improve focus, memory, and overall mental sharpness. Many people report feeling mentally refreshed after a ride. The eighth benefit is better sleep. Regular cycling helps regulate your sleep patterns, allowing you to fall asleep faster and enjoy deeper, more restful sleep, which is essential for energy and stamina. The ninth benefit is stress reduction. Cycling releases feel-good hormones that reduce stress and anxiety. A relaxed mind means a more energetic body. And finally, the 10th benefit is long-term stamina building. Over time, cycling trains your body to endure longer periods of activity without feeling exhausted. This is what true stamina is all about. But knowing the benefits is not enough. The real question is, how do you start and get results quickly? The good news is, you don't need to cycle for hours. Start with just 10 to 15 minutes a day at a comfortable pace. Focus on consistency, not intensity. Gradually increase your time to 20, then 30 minutes as your body adapts. Choose a safe, comfortable route, whether it's a park, a quiet street, or even a stationary bike at home. Keep your posture relaxed, breathe naturally, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Hydration is also important. Drink water before and after your ride to keep your body energized. And remember, it's not about speed, it's about movement. Around this point, let me share something deeper with you. Energy is not just about the body, it's about how you experience life. When you feel strong, active, and full of stamina, you engage more with your family, your surroundings, and your passions. You laugh more, move more, and live more. But when energy is low, life starts to feel limited. And that's why something as simple as cycling can be so powerful. It doesn't just change your body, it changes your life. Now let's come back to the question we raised earlier. Can cycling really break the cycle of low energy and poor stamina? The answer is yes, but only if you stay consistent. The secret is not doing it once or twice, it's making it a habit. Even slow, gentle cycling done regularly can reprogram your body, strengthen your heart, and rebuild your stamina over time. And the best part? You'll start noticing small changes within just a few days, feeling less tired, breathing easier, and having more energy throughout the day. That's your body responding, that's your body healing. So if you've been feeling low on energy, if your stamina isn't what it used to be, don't wait for things to get worse. Start small, start today, and let cycling guide you back to strength and vitality. Because your body is capable of more than you think, you just need to give it the right movement. And remember, it's never too late to feel strong again, to feel energized again, to feel alive again. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, share it with someone who needs this message, and subscribe to the channel for more simple, powerful health tips that can transform your life.